What up, it's your boy Perk. Before we get into the video today, hit that notification bell so every time I drop a video, you get notified. So let's get straight into it. The number one rule for texting a girl is not to text her all day. And it's a very simple rule, but most guys can't do it because they may feel like she might lose interest. But by texting her all day, you remove the mystery from yourself, which kills attraction, leaving her with nothing to chase, which lowers her interest. Women love trying to figure things out. So let her do what she do best, bro. Let her mind run wild with thoughts of why you not texting her back, while all the other guys text her back, but you don't, while you chilling, living your life, and passively let her attraction build. All right, so let's get this straight. I'm not saying not to text her or just flat out ignore her, because these two scenarios will get you nowhere with her. Because she'll just think that you're not interested, and she'll lose interest and just move on and find another guy. But what I am saying is, limit the amount of time you do text her and use the phone for setting dates so y'all can link up and meet in person so you can get close to what you want and hopefully what she wants. Because last time I checked, you can have physical sex through a text. But if some way you found out how to do that, hit my line, let me know, because we got some shit to talk about. So if she texts you, keep it short and sweet, set a date, and put the phone down and go live your life. Alright, that's the end of the video. Make sure you hit that like button. Leave a comment down below, letting me know what you want to see next, and hit that subscribe button so we can grow this channel together. And once again, it's your boy Perk, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.